Hello everybody. Now I will go over challenge question number 85. Okay, the question tells you here, ask, in the figure above, what is the length of a radius of a circle Q if the length of a side of a square is 30 inches? Okay. We did on 84, we got this radius as 5.14719. Okay. And then after that, the question is here, finding radius of a Q. Okay. Radius of a Q. Radius of a Q. Okay, now let's go over here. Let me read it first. Okay, survey carefully. Okay, now to get radius of R, we need a survey. What kind of equation can we make including R? Okay. So, if you look at over here, one of the most possible way attracting our eyes is this triangle QE and O. Okay. Once we know these three sides and what some angle, whichever angle you can find, then we can use law of cosine. Okay, to do that, let's survey here each piece. Here angle, this angle must be 135 because this angle is 45 here. Okay? 45 degrees. So this angle SPO is 135. SPO is 135. So using this one, we can make one equation using law of cosine. Now, here, SP is, let's say this one is 5.14719 minus R. Okay, so the SP is 5.14719 and the OP is 30 plus, this one is 30 plus radius, which is just for convenience, let's say here, this is a B, but B is 5.14719, okay? B is 5.14719. So OP is 30 plus B, or 35.14719. The data just here, okay? And let's say OS, this OS, total length, okay, OS is C. Let's say the OS equals C. Then we can make equation B squared plus 35.14719 squared minus 2 times b times 35.14719 times cosine 135 degree. Here, B was 5.14719. This will be the same one. This one must be same as C squared. Okay? And then cosine 135, using calculator, you can get value right away. And we replace the value of B by 5.14719. Then you can get value of C squared. After that, you get C. Of course, C must be a square root over C squared, is that right? Then the value I calculated already, value come out 38.9572. 38.9572. Okay? So we have 3 sides now. Okay, SP already we know radius, and this value already we have, and then value of C we have. Then probably you can get this angle. Okay, because we need this angle. We cannot get this angle directly, so we have to go over one step here and then move on here. Okay. Now let me erase this one. Okay, now using that value, you can make another law over cosine. Okay, so let's say the PO was 35.14719. This one square must be same as radius B square plus, and then 38, let's say C square minus 2 times B times C times cosine theta. Okay. Now we know value of B is 5.14719. C was 38.9572, but only a known value is Q here. Okay? We know B, C, everything, and then you replace and calculate. Then when I rewrite this equation in terms of theta using arc cosine and then calculate, we got that one is 39.6393. Okay? That means what? Here, if this one is 37 something, then this angle and that angle is same angle, so that value come out 50.3607. 50.3607 degree. Right? Now, after we get those data, we need to get length of EO or OE. Okay? OE. OE will be C minus S. And as you saw here, from this right triangle, you can get value of S as S equal R over cosine theta, which means cosine theta means adjacent over hypotenuse, and then you just rewrite, then you will get that. Okay, again, let me erase. So we have this angle here, and then we have this length QO, which means 30 plus R. And then OE, we just saw here, right? C minus S. OE was C minus S. And then another one we need QE. Okay? QE will be same as QF minus T. Okay? QF minus T will be QE. You got it, right? Got it? Now, again, let me clean up here. So QE is QE is 2 root BR minus R tangent theta. We already have a value of theta, right? The value of theta was 39.6393 degrees. And then R is the value we are looking for. And then B is 5.14719. We just got previous case. And then QE is that one. And then OE is same as C minus S. And so we can make equation substituting all of this one, and then we can solve for them. Okay? So for each value or data, you study all those one here. Okay? If you're not sure, study one more time in this section. Okay? This 2 root BR, to get that one, we use this right triangle and Pythagorean theorem. Okay? Because the QP is 5.14719, or simply let's say a B, so B plus R. And then EP will be B minus R. Okay? EP will be B minus R. So QE will be B plus R square minus B minus R square. You simplify, then you will get that. And from that value, you take out EF, which is T. T was our tangent theta. Then let's go over to the equation part. So using that relation, we can make equation here. What happened? Yeah, you have equation here, 30 plus r squared equal c minus r over cosine theta squared plus 2 root br minus r tangent theta squared minus 2 times each side times cosine 90 minus theta. Okay, I explained that one just before here, right? Okay. Now, after rewrite everything, because we know theta here, we have a variable c. I just replace c for the long value 38.9372 or something, right? And then b we have, and then theta. So only r is a known variable here. That's why we don't have any trouble in solving for r. After we rewrite and simplify, we calculate, and I got r equal 2.57359. This data also will be used for next question, challenge question 86. So please keep in mind, okay? Please keep in mind. Okay, if you have any trouble, just rewind and study that one, okay? Just rewind video and study. Now, next time I will go over challenge question 86. After we got this radius, which is 5.14719, and then after this radius also 2. What was that? 2.53 or something, right? You remember just before. And then next question is finding this radius. Okay? This radius. Very similar method. Okay? Very similar as we got radius of a circle Q. Okay? So you study this yourself first until we meet next time, and then let's study together. Okay? Thank you for your watching this video. Bye. See you next time with the challenge question number 86.